Bonjour, willkommen and howdy. Welcome to a very windswept video here as we're mid-channel at the moment, travelling from Portsmouth over to France. Why are we doing that? We're going down to a military base halfway down through France to pick up our new piece of armour. Well, in fact, we're picking up a number of pieces of armour. So we're taking 2 lorries with us. The other driver, Henry, is quite sensibly inside, sheltering from the weather. I'm out here just to give you a sense of how blustery it actually is, if you can even hear me. We're taking the larger piece of armour to some of the shows this year in the UK in 2023, which includes Tankfest. So if you are coming along, come over and say hello. So, time to hit the hay, get up early in the morning and over into the continent. So, I need to find the cabin. It's about number 800 or something. So, let's have a look. Always quite confusing in these ferries. Yet more corridors, more doors, more rooms. But where exactly is mine? Keep looking. Sounds about right. Do these ever work properly? Maybe. back to the UK. To say it was an eventful trip is quite an underestimation. I've not been able to film much of it because we were too busy either travelling in the back of the gendarmerie van when we were nearly arrested, or when we were being detained for the fact that we didn't have the correct MRM paperwork for exporting these types of equipment. I won't even go on with the list. Absolutely so glad that we're now back on the boat and off to Blighty. So join me later in the rest of this video when we'll have a closer look at the spoils of our trip to France. Au revoir. How was it for you?
Fantastic. Can't wait to do it again.
Okay, so where are we now? So we're stuck here in Portsmouth at the moment. We're being detained by Her Majesty's Border Force while they check out these particular vehicles. They're a little bit overexcited about the fact that they were military kit, and also the fact that there is a bit of a thumping gun on this turret. They are demilitarized. I have the necessary paperwork and the necessary licenses, so I'm pleased to say that Her Majesty's Border Force were extremely helpful, and now we are going to be on our way. So a slight hiccup, a little delay, but yeah, they did a good job, checked that everything was right, and they needed to do that, and so onwards and upwards. Drives like a beauty.